Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Zui. So today's question is rotate array by D in anti-clockwise or left direction. So anti-clockwise is like going towards the left, you have to rotate it. So if D is 2, you have to shift by 2 elements. These 2 left elements should be shifted and output should be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. So the brute force approach is shift elements by 1 to the left D times, but then the time complexity will be like big O of n cross d, and space complexity is big O of 1 because we are not using any extra space here. But another approach can be like using a temporary array. You can copy the last n minus d elements at the first place and then remaining d elements at the last of the array, and then copy this temporary array back to the original. But this takes extra space. There can be a better approach to this as well. So in the previous video we saw how to reverse an array, right? So the code for it looks something like we have to use 2 pointers, and using starter and pointers we keep swapping until all the elements of the array are reversed. So same reverse array function we'll be using over here, and this time we'll be using it in such a way that in case d is greater than size of the array, you have to use modular function and then find out the actual value of d, like how many elements we need to actually shift, and then we'll have to use reverse function thrice over here. So this is a little tricky at first go, but if you try to look into it, you will be understanding it better. And using this reverse function this way, you will be able to rotate the array in anti-clockwise direction. So time complexity for this code will be big O of n as compared to the previous one where it was big O of n cross d, and space complexity is big O of 1 because we did not use any extra space here. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.